Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Matic from your Crypto.com account to your Phantom wallet. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this 2025 update will make the process simple and secure. Why do this? Matic, the token for the Polygon network, is perfect for fast, low-cost transactions, and moving it to Phantom wallet gives you more control over your assets. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Crypto.com account with some Matic in it, and the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device. If you don't have Phantom Wallet yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play and create a wallet. It's free and easy. Step 1. Open your Crypto.com app and log in. Head over to the Wallets section and find your Matic balance. Tap on it to access the withdrawal options. Now, on your Phantom Wallet app, go to the main dashboard and copy your wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check that you've got the right address to avoid any mishaps. Step 2. Back in Crypto.com, select Withdraw for Matic. Paste the Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field, then enter the amount you want to send. Don't forget to check the network. It should be the Polygon network for Matic transfers to ensure compatibility and low fees. Step 3. Review the transaction details carefully. You'll see the estimated fees and final amount. Once you're happy, hit Confirm and authenticate with your Crypto.com security settings, like a PIN or biometric verification. Sit tight. The transfer usually takes just a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. A quick word of caution. Always verify addresses to prevent scams, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate, so keep an eye on the market. There you have it. That's how you send Matic from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.